Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.